Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's photography tutorial, we are going to talk about light modifiers and we are going to review the Godox SBUE 80 centimeters octagon honeycomb grid softbox with Bowens mount. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's photography tutorial, I'm going to give you a complete review and how to use guide about the Godox SBUE 80 centimeters octagon honeycomb grid softbox with Bowens mount. Bowens mount is a universal standard mount. So in order to use this modifier, I will need an external flash, an S-type Bowens mount to support the modifier and flash, and a light stand to place the light. I have the Godox DT685N external flash, Godox S-type Bowens mount, and a ProLight light stand. You can use any Speedlight light stand or Bowens mount guys, because the standard is the same, Bowens mount. So if anything goes wrong with my modifier, I can simply replace it. I don't need to change my entire setup. I bought this from Amazon for around 3,990 rupees last year. Let me show you how to use it. The product comes in this bag. Here is the honeycomb grid. 2 diffusers, the umbrella and the mount. Now I will show you how to put this together. You see, this umbrella has 3 attachments. So we have to put these rods of the mount into each attachment. For that, I will take the umbrella and cover this over the mount. Now very carefully place the rods inside each attachment. Once I do it for all 8, second attachment, finally the last one on top. The softbox is heavy, so please be careful. Now this ring over the middle rod, and once you push this down, it opens like an umbrella. Let's put the diffusers. First the small one. Then the big one goes here. I can similarly attach the grid. I attach my Bowens mount. It fixes like a pressure cooker, literally. Make this nice and tight. Attach the mount to a light stand. Attach a flash to the Bowens mount. And we are ready to shoot. I have my camera here. I'm gonna control my Speedlight with the trigger. Let's take the first shot. Works cool. Let me remove one diffuser and show you what happens. The light becomes harder. Now let me attach the grid. As you can see, the grid makes my light beam more concentrated, meaning the light spreads less. You can use this softbox in millions of ways, guys. It's all up to your creativity. What I love most about this is the quality. It works like a charm. Plus it has a Bowens mount attachment, so I can use it anywhere in the world, and like I told you, anything goes wrong I can simply replace it. What I don't like about it is that it's a bit heavy, especially if I have to work outdoors. It's not very easy to carry, especially for me. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys and you got to know about this softbox by Godox. In case you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want me to review more products, Godox or otherwise. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous review, again a product by Godox. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.